Right, what's happening, bro? I know it's been a while, but because that's my safety boots, I shouldn't be wearing them. Right, just working on the ground anyway. On leftover road. I don't know what I'm doing, but like I'm welding that together because I don't know why, but we're doing it. Yeah, look at that one I made. Look at that. What? Oh well. The rod's nearly finished. I'm just gonna actually finish that rod off. So yeah, we're gonna actually try to break it. See if it breaks. How easily it breaks. Guess what time it is? Time to test them welds. They're still hot. I'm gonna wait for them to cool down. Well, like that, I didn't clean the metal, okay? So I wouldn't expect them to be really good welds. Expect them to be, gonna break in like after a couple of hits. We're gonna use a toffee hammer to actually test it because they're a rubbish weld. But toffee hammers can do a lot of damage. We managed to break it after that, so that's what left of it. As you can see, the welds never actually penetrated properly, so they were the weak welds, I would say. But I didn't actually clean the metal at all, so I wasn't expecting the good welds. I do need to practice a lot more with my arc